In today's video, I am going to teach you how to quick way to import Excel table into AutoCAD. If you've got data in a spreadsheet that needs to live inside your drawing, things like schedules, quantities, or lists, this quick method keeps everything clear and consistent. And it lets your drawing reflect updates from Excel without you retyping. Start by opening your Excel file and getting the cells you want to bring over ready. It helps to make the selection tidy, include your headers, avoid extra blank rows or columns, and confirm the column widths look the way you want. When the range looks good, select it and copy it with Ctrl+C. That copy command is important because we're going to paste it into AutoCAD in a way that maintains a live link back to your spreadsheet. Now switch to AutoCAD. On the ribbon, go to the Home tab in the Clipboard panel. Open the Paste drop-down and choose Paste Special. This is the key step that separates a simple static paste from a linked table. In the dialog that appears, select Paste Link, then choose Microsoft Excel Worksheet as the type. Paste Link tells AutoCAD to keep a connection to the source Excel file, so your drawing can reflect changes you make in the spreadsheet. Microsoft Excel Worksheet ensures the formatting and structure from Excel come through as expected. Click OK, then click in your drawing to place the table. Choose a spot with enough room for the full width of your selection, so your headers and columns are easy to read. You can zoom in or out before placing if you need a better view. And after you place it, you can reposition it as needed. What you've placed is a linked object, so its appearance, fonts, column widths, and general layout follows what you set up in Excel. If something doesn't look right, go back to Excel, adjust the source cells, and those changes will carry through with the link. A couple of quick tips to keep this working smoothly. Keep the Excel file in a stable location so the link isn't broken. And try to finalize your formatting in Excel first to minimize adjustments later. If you share the DWG, make sure the recipient also has access to the Excel file so the link can resolve correctly. That's it. Thanks for watching.